welcome to episode 3 of World Kitchen. This episode is going to feature holiday cookies from around the world, cookies from Japan, Iran, Russia, Brazil, and a really fun Kwanzaa cookie. So we'll get started. The nice thing about these Kwanzaa cookies is that they're very natural in the ingredients. Maple syrup, our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I think those are about ready to go into the oven, Alex. Pretty little indentions in the cookie. So you're going to roll the balls out like we did before and put them on the cookie sheet. And we will go ahead and take those over there. Roll it into a ball. I'm going to go ahead and do this one in some nuts. Scoot these over a little bit. So these are all of the cookies we made today. I hope that you will all join us in January. One way or another, my friend Ping will be showing you how to make Chinese dumplings. Thank you.